My name is Burhan Kuna, and today this particular video is about preparing chicken wings. What we, so chicken wings is not it's pretty easy to prepare to actually do a chicken wings if we have to deep fry it. But this particular chicken wing is not being deep fried. This particular chicken wing is going to be air fried, and the reason is we can eat healthy food without compromise on taste. So let's start. So these are the chicken wings. This is 1/4 cup of almond flour. I'm gonna put almond flour. This is 1/4 cup of oat flour. I'm gonna put oat flour. So 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Red chilies is probably 2 teaspoons. Actually, I eat a lot of spice, so probably I'm gonna put a little bit more. But it's technically 2 teaspoons is more than enough. Then I put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to put the garlic separately too, so I'm going to put. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put salt. In Urdu we say hasbe zaiqa, but I think it's, we put technically 1 tablespoon. Probably is more than enough. And then we're gonna put black pepper. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and that's it. We're gonna mix well. So here is the plate. It's being ready. I toasted everything. It's now it's ready to put into air fryer. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 or 3 small spoon of coconut oil in the air fryer. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour 1 by 1 wing. 10 wings is I think is enough for me for today. Without lunch, healthy stuff. Well, not healthy, then at least not bad stuff. But it's a pretty healthy way of preparing wing. So I put all these wings over there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook this for 15 minutes. Wings are being air fried. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prepare some ginger. If you look at it, I put 2 chilies and I cut this ginger a little bit in a bigger size because it's gonna go into air fryer. So this fresh ginger and this chilies will give you some additional kick. So it's almost 5 minutes and I can feel a little bit heat outside this air fryer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop it, put ginger. I'm gonna put some green chilies. So wings are being ready and I put all this in my plate. If you look at those wings, they look so gorgeous, crunchy and beautiful. chicken wings. Much for enjoying my video, and that's it for today. And the other my 3 videos, if you want to watch, you can watch my other videos too. And I'm try to create more videos, mainly for healthy food, without compromise on taste. Thank you very much for your guys. Bye.